morning, hope you're well. November is a good time to plant garlic, and I've got the most amazing garlic called elephant garlic, which is huge. I mean, one of the cloves is as big as a kind of garlic bulb that you buy in the supermarket, and it's really good for cooking, but it's sort of really good for roasting, and it's slightly milder flavour. I love garlic, but this is a sort of much milder flavour, and it's really nice to roast whole and then scoop out. It's just delicious. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I'm going to plant them and show you what they look like. Put you down there. Hopefully it'll work. Can you see me? Yes, you can. So I've got my garlic from the most amazing place called the Garlic Farm. You can get it online, and if you see that, there is one, oh, dropped it. That is one whole, that's just one clove of the bulb. So you can see how massive it is. And what you want to do with elephant garlic is you want to plant it about an inch below the surface, and you want to space them out about 6 inches. So it's very easy. I've got a trowel here. I'm just going to try and do a straight line. I'm not very good at straight lines. Make sure the pointy tip is up and the roots are down, and then you literally just shove it in the hole. That's about an inch down, and then about 6 inches apart. I'm probably going to do 4 along this row, something like that. Dig it down, cover it over, and it's as easy as that. Just let nature take shape and do all the watering for you and everything. And the garlic probably won't be ready much before July time, and you'll know when it's ready because the leaves will start to yellow and they'll sort of flop, and then you either leave it to dry in the sun outside, or you can bring it in, if it's rainy, bring it in to a shed or something, or a greenhouse or something, and let it dry out. And then it stores for about 3 months, so you can have garlic for that long. Belle is here digging with me. So I'm going to carry on with that, and just, yeah, give it a go. It's a really lovely thing to plant. All right, speak to you soon. Bye.